To test the WorldPay SOAP API, start by understanding the basics of SOAP and the WorldPay API. SOAP is a protocol used for exchanging structured information in the implementation of web services. And the WorldPay API allows merchants to process payments online. First, you need to register for a WorldPay account and obtain your merchant ID and installation ID. These IDs are required to authenticate your API requests. Next, choose a programming language and a SOAP client library to use for testing the API. The WorldPay SOAP API provides several methods for processing payments, including payment service and refund service. To test the payment service, create a SOAP request with the required parameters, such as the merchant ID, installation ID, and payment details. The payment details include the amount, currency, and payment method. Use the SOAP client library to send the request to the WorldPay API endpoint and handle the response. The response will contain the result of the payment request, including a payment response code and a unique transaction reference. To test the refund service, create a SOAP request with the required parameters, including the merchant ID, installation ID, and refund details. The refund details include the amount, currency, and original transaction reference. When testing the WorldPay SOAP API, it is essential to follow best practices, such as using a secure connection, handling errors and exceptions, and logging transactions for auditing purposes. Additionally, ensure that you comply with the payment card industry data security standard when handling sensitive payment information. To get started with testing the WorldPay SOAP API, use the WorldPay test environment to simulate payment requests and verify the responses. The test environment allows you to test different payment scenarios without affecting live transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively test the WorldPay SOAP API and ensure seamless payment processing for your online business.